So so this is our arrangement, and we are making home automation using VT board, and we are using a 2 relay module, but we are using a single relay module. So this is our code. Here we have defined LED 5 as an output, which is basically a GPIO 5, that is D1 of the VT board. We are using a local Wi-Fi network, so we have defined it here. We are using Adafruit server as a link to calibrate the Google Assistant. So we have defined it here. We have defined the username the Adafruit username and the key of the credentials of the account that we are using it to create the toggle switch. We have in the feed of the Adafruit, we have created a switch toggle from where we are on and offing the switch, so that we can see the on and off of the LED. We have defined the serial baud rate of 9600. We have here, you can see that pin mode LED, that is the GPIO 5. We have defined it as an output pin. We have mentioned it here, and this later on we have defined for the Wi-Fi access point. This is for the connection, and if it is connecting, it's connecting to, and we have then it's the delay and Wi-Fi status is not, then we are if not, then the delay, and later on if it is done, it will show the Wi-Fi connected and the IP address to which is connected on the serial port on the serial monitor, and it is the loop. Then it is followed by the loop of the MQTT connection. We are using Adafruit MQTT. So here it is like the main code is here. If the switchboard, if the switch is toggled and if the switch is on, then it will send digital 0. It will write digital write 0 to logic 0 to the LED output, and if the switch is turned off, then it will digital write 1 to the LED, that is GPIO output. This is after the as the MQTT is connected, we will stop the MQTT connection. If anyways like the MQTT's connection is stopped, we will so this is the code, and we will upload this here. Verify first. We will verify it. It's done compiling, and then we will upload it. Here we can see as the LED is blinking, the code is being uploaded, and it has been, so we will wait for some seconds. Here it's done uploading. So for when we'll open the serial monitor, it's already open. So we can see in here, I'll reset it one time. We can see it's connecting to the LAN. Yes, it's connected. So later on we will check the connections properly before connecting, and also we will check if the it's connected to the ESP is connected. Yes, ESP is connected over here. Then do the connections. We will connect the MQVT board with the relay. Simply we will connect the VCC of the relay to the VCC of the VT board. Similarly, we will connect the ground of the VT board to the ground of the relay module. And the output to the the output GPIO to the input of the relay module. So this is the connection. It's already on because we have placed it on previously. connect, we'll switch it off. Pause. Here the switch is off, as we can see. The switch is off, and when we turn the switch on, we can see the LED is blinking. Similarly, when we switched it off, we can see the LED is turned off. And we can also use, we can use it with the Google Assistant also. When I say, "Okay Google, turn on the light,"
Okay, turning on, sir.
it's turning on. And when I say, "Okay Google, turn off the light,"
Okay, sir.
it's turned off. And similarly, we can see that when I say, okay Google, turn on the light," "Okay Google, turn on the light,"
Okay, turning on, sir.
it's seen on the Google the feed of the Adafruit also. So applications, wait a second. Application of these projects, application of this project is wide as broad as possible. We can use this in the home automation. We can, as we have connected a simple LED to show the we can connect it to with the home automation. We can connect it to geyser, AC, fans, etc. Anything that can be operated directly with the 230 volt, we can control it with the relay through the ESP module. It will be helpful. Thank you.